Hi, I'm Surya Prakash. Now I'm going to take segment 10 Backtracking algorithm for a quiz problem. Public slash PSA segment 10 static final integer n equal to 8. Now print the final solution matrix. Now we have to declare static void print solution integer board and for integer I equal to 0, I lesser than n, I increment for loop integer j equal to 0, j lesser than n, j increment system.out.print plus board I j, then system.out.print now function to check whether the position is safe or not. Static boolean is safe, integer board, integer row, integer cool, integer ij. Now for loop I equal to 0, I lesser than cool I increment. If board row I double equal to 1, return false. Now for I equal to row, j equal to cool, I greater than equal to 0 and j greater than equal to 0, I minus I decrement, j decrement, return false, I equal to row, j equal to cool, I greater than equal to 0, I greater than equal to n, I increment, next I increment for I row, j equal to p, j return false, return true. Now the function that solves problem is backtracking. Public static boolean solve queen integer board greater than equal to n, return true. For I equal to 0, I lesser than n, I increment. If it is safe to place the queen position is true, minus greater than place it board I equal to 1. If solve queen board plus 1, return true. Black stack if the above condition is false, the above condition is false. Return true, board I equal to 0, return false, public static void, string args, put the integer numbers 0, 0, 0, and if solve, queen board equal 0, system dot we have to print the declare solution does not exist and return print solution board close the bracket. Now we are going to see output for this program 1 0 0 0 0 and last one 1 and center one 1 and last one 1 and 0 1 1 0 0 3 0 1 only 1 and 4 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. Thank you, that's all.